Like I said, I did not cut myself shaving. Honestly, I was so hungry last night after working all day. I made one of those at-home pizzas that you stick in the oven, and push comes to shove. I'm being really serious. I was so hungry. I just took it out. I blew on it a little bit, and then I kind of like just bit into it. Oh my gosh, it was hot. And then it's kind of like, it wasn't so much hot in my mouth, even though my teeth and tongue was like on fire. It was more so the cheese, it dripped down onto my face, and it's kind of like, anyway, that's a mess. But I have to work today anyway, so it's kind of like so tough. I mean, I'm just going to film this because I'm going to be in someone's closet doing their shoe wardrobe. It's we've already done the clothing, we've done the styling, and a lot of these videos are actually on my YouTube channel. So if you go to the YouTube channel, I know I look like Bobo the Fool with this big bandage on right now. It's just really gross. I mean, it's like my flesh was falling off. It's just so bad. I mean, cheese is dangerous when it's hot. Believe me, I found out the hard way. And you know what was really interesting is that after that cheese hit my face, I was not even hungry anymore. I mean, I was just like, I don't even need to eat for a week here. And I'm not saying that that's what I should do to kind of like really truly make sure I stay in shape, but anyway, so the thing is that on my YouTube channel, it does kind of like have a video whereby I'm actually repurposing shoes. And when I say repurposing shoes, it's kind of like reviving them and making them actually wearable for a very long time. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go through my little shoe kit and take out this little funny thing. It looks scary, but this actually removes all the worn down heels on your high heels or on your boots or what have you. Just clamp them and pull it out. It works. It almost looks like it should take out a tooth, but that's a whole nother day. I mean, it's kind of like I'm so tired of dentists. But anyway, so the thing is that and then it's kind of like after you've taken off the heel of the shoe, you've got like little heels that you kind of like stick back in there and insert. Like I said, this is on the YouTube video, so I'm just going through it really quickly now whilst I'm actually waiting for her to actually finish doing whatever she's doing. You want to kind of like sole the shoe. I was really shocked that I knew how to do this. I learned how to do it. Funnily enough, on YouTube, I learned how to resole my shoe and to change the heels. So it's kind of like, so you get a slip-proof bottom, even if the shoe originally had leather bottoms on it, right? You get slip-proof. So if you live in a place that rains a lot, like I do, you can actually, slip-proof it, like that with this. And I bought this at Amazon. It's rubber. So it's actually malleable, and you simply just cut and trace it out and stick it onto the bottom of the heel. It's like unbelievable. I mean, if I know how to do this, and I don't even know how to eat pizza properly, I know that you'd be able to do this. But shoes are a really important part of your wardrobe. So give yourself maybe this weekend a little bit of a chance to go through your wardrobe to kind of look to see what shape your shoes are in, because there's nothing worse than having a really cool outfit on or having a fantastic wardrobe, and then you look down and your shoes are all worn over to one side, or the heel is clicking because it's that metal thing is sticking out of it, and it's like click, 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 and people can hear you come before you even walk into the room. They can hear you coming because that metal thing is making all that noise. It's just really gross. And also, you're damaging the leather and or the material on the heel of your shoe if you wear it down to that nub like that. I just really apologize for looking so rat-a-tad, but I had a rough night with this thing on my face. I mean, from the cheese. I don't even know what to say. I'm like in shock, but I've just got to work. But on the YouTube channel, you can kind of see that I've repurposed and I've actually resoled and reheeled maybe about 5 different pairs of shoes. The funniest ones are the boots. Okay, that didn't turn out really well, and I had to use a real cobbler. I don't know if they're really called a shoe person is called a cobbler or not. I think they're called a cobbler. shoe cobbler. Yeah. You know, I know that there's some little cookies or crackers called cobbler cookies or something. Anyway, I think this is a cobbler shoe person. Anyway, the shoe person actually had to fix the boots because I kind of like did a number on them. But nevertheless, I filmed it so that you can kind of see that it's not simple to do it the first couple of times, but once you actually get the hang of it, it gets really easy. A lot of people neglect shoes in their wardrobe, so please look at your shoes, beautify them, and know that they really truly make your outfit look fabulous. And you know, hopefully when I come back next week, in my next video, in my next video on Sundays, I actually always do like a lifestyle thing whereby I'm actually roaming around free. It's only on Tuesdays when I post, I'm actually in someone's wardrobe. And then on Friday, I give you hints about things that you can do to enhance your wardrobe, like today. So hopefully by next Friday or next Tuesday, well, actually next Tuesday, Tuesday becomes before Friday, I just won't be looking like this. I mean, it's just so sad and scary. I'm gonna eat a salad tonight on one side of my mouth. Anyway, nevertheless, I'll talk with you later. And if you have any kind of questions, you can you can send me an email. Okay, email me please, or just go to thequeenofthecloset.com and send me a message like that. I have actually gotten some really funny messages, and I will be addressing those you know, periodically when I have time. Because sometimes it's so hard to try to get through all of these things. But I will be talking about underwear display and also sock display, simply because clients of ours have said that they have underwear and socks that they just don't see, so therefore they just don't wear them. Whatever that means, I'll address it when I get to that email. But right now, I'm going to get ready for this client and handle the shoe thing. That will also be posted on YouTube. Okay, bye. Hopefully everyone has a really nice evening, and lots of love until the next video. Bye.